We're not one of those big corporate implant centers trying to do 1 million implants a year. For me, it's not about quantity. It's about taking care of people, treating them with respect, and delivering the very best results at an affordable price. That's why I do what I do. People face a dilemma when deciding where to go for dental implants. It's like there are two choices: finding doctors who provide the highest quality results at a premium price, or two, finding lower cost options, but often at the expense of quality and longevity. On the one hand, you get great results, but pay a fortune. On the other hand, you save money, but compromise durability. It's almost a lose-lose situation. That's where we come in. Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan, and this is Parkway Prosthodontics. At Parkway Prosthodontics, we bridge the gap. My goal has always been simple: help people get their smiles back. I want them to eat, talk, and live confidently without worrying about their teeth or their budget. We've made dental implants affordable without compromising quality. Our mission is clear: provide dental implants with no compromise. You don't have to choose between price or outcome. People often ask, how do I know if I'm getting a good deal? The answer is two parts. One, price point. The national average for an all-on X with a zirconia bridge is around $25,000 per arch. If you can find a price lower than that, it's a great start. Two, longevity. The real value isn't just the price, it's how long the results last. Imagine you spend $30,000 on a full all-on X. You're happy initially, but 6 months later, cracks, chips start appearing. Over time, you spend more on repairs, and it ends up costing more than you ever expected. So how do you know if your treatment will last? It's simple. Does the provider stand behind their work with a warranty on the implants and the bridge? If not, there's likely a reason. At Parkway Prosthodontics, we guarantee our work. We're confident because we use the best materials and components, and our team is highly experienced. Unlike some places offering low price points, by cutting corners and using inexperienced doctors, we ensure that your treatment stands the test of time. At Parkway Prosthodontics, you won't see a different doctor every visit. I personally meet with you during the consultation, design your smile, perform the surgery, and oversee all of your maintenance. It's important to me that we take this journey together. I'll be there for you every step of the way. Parkway Prosthodontics, where we combine the highest standard of care with the very best results at a price that works for you. That's dental implants with no compromise. Let's restore your smile together.